Hello everyone, it is Tropics. Another video. Have a update on our system. Was for this is a video for the West Indian 26 cyclone season. Have severe cyclone or tropical storm Gezani. This storm is currently located kilometers, 355 kilometers or 220.5 north northwest or northeast of Reunion, and it is has winds of 60 miles per hour, 10 minutes sustained on the and is a severe tropical storm on the on the or FR scale, moving west at 9 miles per hour or 15 per hour. Pressure at 992. Center location -18 point south and 53.9 east. Yeah. As you can see, it's a severe tropical storm right here. It's supposed to be a cyclone, an intense tropical cyclone before landfall in Madagascar. Then it will weaken over land. It will re-strengthen to a moderate tropical storm. Then it will be a severe tropical storm, followed by another tropical storm, basically tropical cyclone stage. You live in Madagascar or Mozambique, please take this serious because this could get very, very serious. Um, EFS is reporting a lot of rain right now to be dumped on you guys. Greater than probably a foot in some places. So yeah. Um, but yeah. Um, listen to law enforcement, listen to government agencies, and listen to your local government as well for evacuation orders if you live in those Mozambique, Madagascar too. But if you live in those countries, please take this serious. With that being said, this is Server Tropics WX signing out. We'll have more future updates on the system as it progresses to today. And yeah, with that being said, this is Server Tropics WX signing out, and goodbye. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye.